Hi students, I want to give you a point where most of the students struggle in this type of maxima minima application level question. Okay, so first step you need to write the function which you need to maximize or minimize. Here which function need to maximize? It is very clear, area of a rectangle, right? That is inscribed in the ellipse, you can see. Now I have chosen the length is L and the breadth is W. Okay, so this is the function you need to maximize. After this, you need to eliminate, not on this format, you need to eliminate one of the variable. Okay, always this first area or volume formula if you write, then it contains more than one variable. How many variable here? One length and other breadth of the rectangle. One variable you need to eliminate. For that, some condition will be given in the question, sure, no doubt. So that condition is the ellipse equation you can utilize. Okay, how you will eliminate L or W using ellipse equation? You need to make the sketch. Once sketch is made, you know how it can be inscribed a rectangle. This must be L by 2. Okay, this must be W by 2. Then only this rectangle corner lie on the ellipse. Okay, so that this is an ellipse point x, y. So how I can replace that corner point? L by 2, W by 2 using coordinate geometry. Then substitute this equation. So it will satisfy L square by 2 whole square, 4a square plus W square by 4b square equal to 1. So this is the equation you need to make to convert W into L. Okay, so using this equation, convert W to L, then you will get area in L into some function is the, what will be the, here one more thing, here W square we can find out. What is W square? That is 1 minus L square by 4a square into 4b square. Okay, so you don't need to substitute W because W root will come. You can substitute W square. For that, even if you square area, no issue for taking derivative. You can take a derivative or a square derivative. Okay, finally you can substitute dA by dL equal to 0. Okay, so which is the easiest substitution here? W square value, put it in the a square formula, differentiate